FoamAway is your ultimate solution for foam control in your spa. It is a special formula compatible with all sanitizers and designed to calm down foam without leaving an oily residue or clouding your water. First, test your water. Balance the levels using alkalinity up, pH up, or pH down as necessary. Once balanced, you can add FoamAway to your spa with the pumps set on high. Add 1 ounce per 500 gallons directly into the water and allow it to circulate for 10 minutes. If you still see foam, you can add an additional ounce to help until the foam disappears. Allow the water to circulate on high for 20 minutes. Turn off the pumps and retest to check that the alkalinity and pH are still balanced. Enjoy the soothing waters of your spa. If you have any questions or concerns about FoamAway or your water quality, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.